If you're repairing broken or damaged pipe and sewer drains, look no further than Formadrain, the absolute best no-dig system for lateral lining and spot repairs. You're about to see firsthand what goes into the rehabilitation of a house lateral sewer pipe. Formadrain is 100% no-dig. Pipeline and drain repairs are quick and easy and don't take days or weeks, but can be done in just one morning. Installation is as easy as setting up a small workstation in the house, where we then start running a line from that access point out to the main sewer on the road. The video inspection, done a couple days ago, allows us to see the damage in the pipe, as well as the root intrusion. Next, we need to get set up on the road by the sewer main. Sewer pipes come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and range from manhole access to very little access at all. Formadrain's no-dig CIPP is a turnkey system that supplies you with all of the required tools. From the road, that line is then fished so a sling can be attached to the new liner. A winch is also set up so pulling the new Formadrain spot liner is even easier. Once the sling is in position, it is connected to the Formadrain liner. Formadrain uses proprietary mandrels built to repair pipes ranging from 2 inches diameter to 48 inches and up to 100 feet in length. The mandrels used are manufactured in-house. They are also each tested before they are shipped. They can be reused up to 10 times, dramatically reducing the costs of installation. The winch we station now pulls the new liner through the pipe. We use only the best quality materials and resins for our lateral lining system, and we even have a chemical resistant resin for industrial applications we call Formapox 301. It was developed for hot influence, up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius, strong acids, caustics, and hydrocarbons. Once the new liner is correctly in place, the inflatable bladder attached to the new liner is connected to the steam curing, where it is monitored to make sure the correct pressure is applied. This process only takes 45 minutes. So not only do the Formadrain liners cure quickly, but it also includes a fiberglass and epoxy composite that yields a structurally engineered repair that will stop breaks, leaks, or intrusion from roots for more than 50 years. After the steam curing, we detach the inflatable bladder and remove it from within the sewer pipe. Once we have the bladder taken off of the new liner, we do another video inspection to make sure the installation was completed properly. You'll notice that after the new Formadrain liner was installed, there are no cracks, missing sections, or root intrusion. The distinctive blue color makes it easy to spot issues with the new liner upon final video inspection. The installation you just watched took under 4 hours. Formadrain is used by many drain and sewer repair companies, and if you want to join the cost-effective revolution, please visit us at formadrain.com to become a licensee today.